Hey, snow fighters. It's Mike Stephan, the infamous snow princess with me. We just got done at our Saturday morning gym. P-U-M-P. Yeah. And hey, we're gonna go see what's happening at the KAGE shop, so tag along. There's a couple guys here working, and we're gonna find out what they're doing. Probably doing a little bit of grinding, and we got a jib crane we're putting up, so that might be going on too. First, we'll stop by my project. Most recently, I've been working on a couple of old, like 6-year-old plows, seeing if we can refurbish them, bring them kind of back up to almost brand new for this customer. It's maybe something that we're thinking about, potentially having a refurbished program where y'all could send us your plows and get a fresh coat of paint, get all the latest and greatest upgrades done to them, and send them back to you in the fall. Fresh coat of paint, all new wear parts on it and everything. So this is it. I'm having a little trouble with this plow here. The kingpin looks like it never got greased, and it is not coming out. It was just seized up in there, so I've torched off the nut. That came off quite easily with the plasma cutter, but no matter how much force I bang on that thing, it will not budge. So then I torched off the top and put a nut right on there so I could hit it with an impact. Still not moving. Then I started heating up the pivot tower here, got that glowing hot. Still nothing, still won't release. So then, kind of as a last resort, I took and welded strips along here, and what that does is it kind of draws that steel away. And I thought it was working. I got it to move a little bit, but I don't know. I'm gonna try one last thing. I'm gonna hit it with an impact as I'm heating this with the rosebud on the oxyacetylene torch. Just get that sucker glowing and hit it with an impact at the same time and see if I can start getting some movement out of it. So we're gonna give you an update on those in a different video when we get that done. I can hear our sandblast going. We got a load of pivot frames, kind of a bottleneck right now. We try to avoid bottlenecks around here, but being it's our first month in production here at this new plant, it's not surprising that we had something to learn here. So here we are at the new blast booth. It's 20 by 40 and like 14-foot tall enclosure. It's kind of like a paint booth, so it sucks the air out. And we'll be able to open this door here and see what the guy in there. He's blasting away. Really well lit, clean air. And he's still got the hood and everything to bring in fresh air for breathing, but it's really, really state of the art. It's got an auger in the floor so that all the material that's dropping gets augered up, gets air washed, and just put back into the blast pot, so you don't even have to stop blasting ever and refill it. Here's our grinding corner. We got David going on some moldboards here. The future moldboard for you guys. And here's that jib crane. We got it mounted to the floor, and now we have to hang the trolley system and then hook up the electric to it. So it's like 408 volts, I think 280. No welding going on. Oh, there's some welding going on today. There's Daniel. What a guy. What a guy. And we got some saw cutting going on today too. So that's what's happening on KAGE on Saturday. Not too much, but when you got to finish out the month, you got to finish out the month.